Pressure is defined as the force applied perpendicular to the surface of an object per unit area. It is typically measured in units such as pascals, Pa, atmospheres, ATM, pounds per square inch, PSI, or millimeters of mercury, mmHg. There are various devices used to measure pressure, and the choice of device depends on the range of pressure being measured, the precision required, and the environment in which the measurement is taken. Some common pressure measurement devices include 1. Manometers. These devices measure pressure by balancing the weight of a fluid column between the measurement point and a reference point. They can be simple, like a U-tube manometer, or more complex, such as a mercury barometer. 2. Bourdon tube gauges. These are mechanical devices consisting of a curved tube that straightens under pressure. As the tube straightens, it moves a pointer across a dial to indicate the pressure. 3. Diaphragm pressure gauges. These gauges use a flexible diaphragm that deforms under pressure, often connected to a mechanism that translates the deformation into a pressure reading. 4. Piezoelectric sensors. These sensors generate an electrical charge when subjected to mechanical stress, which can be calibrated to measure pressure accurately. 5. Strain gauge pressure. Transducers. These devices use the deformation of materials like metal foil under pressure to measure the strain and, consequently, the pressure. 6. Pressure transmitters. These devices convert pressure readings into electrical signals for monitoring and control purposes in industrial settings. 7. Digital pressure gauges. These gauges provide pressure readings in digital form and may incorporate additional features such as data logging and connectivity. The choice of pressure measurement device depends on factors like the range of pressure to be measured, the accuracy required, the nature of the substance being measured, liquid, gas, corrosive material, and the environmental conditions, temperature, vibration, etc. Calibration and maintenance are essential to ensure accurate and reliable pressure measurements over time.